Okay. Now you have to close your eyes. And I define on my face where you can not kiss. Okay. Where is it dangereux? Dans votre visage. Okay?
Okay.
Stay still, please. You're safe. You're safe. You're safe. Where was it exactly? On the eye.
Ah, okay, you're safe.
Okay. You're safe. You're safe. You're safe. Stop. Safe. You're dead. I know it. She killed herself because she kissed here.